It's on. Join us for the Crox It Out Concert this October as we climax our year-long breast cancer awareness campaign with a thrilling concert with your favorite female artist. Mark your calendar for Friday the 18th of October 2024 from 6 p.m. at Alliance Francaise, Accra. Get free health screening from 10 a.m. and join the Pink Fair at the same venue from 2 p.m. and throughout the concert. Performing live will be the sensational Efia, Feli Nuna, Titi Owusu, Naya Blue, Chayuta, Dakoa, Santi, Esther Legend, Kiki Celine, and DJ Nice, backed by the Afro Harmony Band and hosted by Ghana's favorite twins, Lali and Lola. Together, we're crossing out the risk, fear, and stigma attached to breast cancer by raising funds for our annual breast cancer outreach and treatment campaign, Crox It Out. For tickets, dial *365 *88 455 hash or visit mx24.app/croxitoutticket. You can also get free tickets from now to the 15th by getting a free breast cancer screening at any of the branches of our official hospital partner, Life Healthcare Center. Go ahead, set a reminder, get screened, and cross it out. The Crox It Out concert is supported by Flora Tissue, Top Choco, Tango Washing Powder, Max Felix Food, IBM Petroleum, refreshed by Piva Beverages, and media partners at YFM, #PinkOnY. Crox It Out concert, 18th of October 2024. Let's stand together for health through music. Don't miss out on this entertaining, life-saving event. See you there.